Managing email campaigns on Apollo.io is an absolute game changer when it comes to simplifying your marketing efforts. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the most of this powerful tool. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just looking to streamline your email campaigns, by the end of this quick guide, you'll be able to use it confidently and effectively. Stay tuned, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that will help you get started with Apollo.io for free. Apollo.io makes email campaign management simple, effective, and most importantly, automated. First things first, once you sign up for Apollo.io, you'll find that managing email campaigns is an easy and intuitive process. You'll want to start by creating an email campaign from the dashboard. Simply navigate to the Campaigns section and click Create Campaign. This is where you'll define your campaign's objective and target audience. You can upload your contact list from a CSV file or sync with your existing CRM or database. This integration makes it super easy to import your data without any extra hassle. Apollo.io also lets you filter your leads, ensuring you're targeting the right audience. You can filter by industry, job title, company size, and even specific interests, making your email outreach much more focused. Next up is creating your email content. Apollo.io has a built-in email editor that allows you to design emails that are both eye-catching and professional. What's great about the platform is that you can easily insert dynamic content, such as first names or company names, making your emails feel more personalized, which has been shown to increase open rates. Once your email is ready, you can set up your campaign schedule. Apollo.io lets you schedule emails to send at the best times for your audience, based on your specific time zones or their optimal send times. The platform also has A/B testing features, so you can test different email variants and find the version that works best. But the magic really happens with Apollo.io's automation features. You can set up follow-up sequences that will automatically trigger based on the recipient's actions. If someone opens your email but doesn't respond, Apollo.io will send them a follow-up automatically. And the best part, you can monitor everything in real time with the campaign's analytics dashboard, where you'll see who opened your emails, clicked links, and converted. This insight is crucial for optimizing your strategy. Apollo.io also integrates with other platforms, which makes it easy to keep track of your leads and manage them across all of your marketing efforts. If you're using a CRM, Apollo.io can sync your email campaign results with it, keeping your lead database up to date. And if you're not yet using a CRM, don't worry, Apollo.io can help with that too. By now, you should have a pretty good idea of how to manage email campaigns on Apollo.io and how it can help you reach your marketing goals. But I want to remind you of something important. If you're watching this and you're new to Apollo.io, we've partnered with the platform to offer you an exclusive and extended free trial. You can access all of these powerful features without paying a dime, so be sure to grab your free trial through the first link in the description below. Managing email campaigns on Apollo.io has never been easier. It's all about simplifying your workflow, automating follow-ups, and getting results faster. Whether you're trying to grow your business or expand your outreach efforts, Apollo.io is one of the best platforms to get the job done. To wrap things up, make sure to click the link below to access your extended free trial and dive into Apollo.io today. This is your chance to leverage the full power of email campaigns without the typical learning curve. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email marketing.